How to edit a payment method in Uber Eats wallet. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Uber Eats on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. In here, click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on Wallet at the top. After you've clicked on Wallet in here, select the payment methods that is available. After you've selected the payment method that is available, tap Edit in there. Then update expiration date, update CVV, update billing, zip postal code, and then press on Save. After you press on Save, you can return to Wallet to confirm the update sticks. And after you do that, you're good to go. This is how to edit a payment method in Uber Eats Wallet. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.